Alright, we're here in Cleveland, Ohio. We're in the warehouse district. And what we're going to be doing today is we're working in this building right here. It's a 4-story building. And we're going to be shutting down all the cold water feed to the building, so the main. And we're going to be doing a 2-inch potable water feed repair in the basement. So what we're going to do at first is we're going to shut down the water to the building, and then we're going to go up to the 4-story and drain all the water from the building all the way down so we can make our repair. Yeah. All right, we got our cold water coming in right here. This is our cold water feed to the building. We got our water meter right here in our backflow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut this valve off first in case that one doesn't work. So now we have a backup valve to shut off in case this valve doesn't work. So now the water's shut off, so we'll go up to the 4th floor and start draining the building. So what's going on here is we're disqueating off this whole entire hallway because we got wood floors underneath. So we can't have any water hit the wood floor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna visqueen all the way up and down, because this is where we're gonna cut the main line, and we're gonna put a ProPress ball valve immediately so we can not worry about the entire building draining down after we make this connection. So after we make this connection, all we have to worry about is the 2-inch water line going across the room and over about 80 foot of pipe. So make our life a little bit easier when it comes to worrying about the water draining through and having to contain the water as we work. All right, we got everything set up over here. We got the visqueen on the ground, ready to go. We got a 2-inch main cold water feed for this 4-story building. What we're gonna do is we're gonna drill a hole in the bottom of the pipe so we can contain the water and make sure it drains all the way down. And then once that's done, then we'll start cutting out the big chunks and offset this pipe above into the bay so it's away from this drop ceiling, this finished drop ceiling, designed drop ceiling that they're installing. Sure, you want to swap it now? Swap it now so it doesn't get too heavy. What we could do is if it won't stop, you can always take this. You take like a round piece of wood and just shove it up in there. It's called a fire plug. What? That's what an original fire plug used to be. Really? Yeah. So then they called them fire plugs. So in the mains, they take the corks and they pound them in the things to shut the water off when they were fighting fires. Fire plugs. They just knocked them out. In there, and that would swell. The wood would swell and make it seal. And you know, the water mains used to be made out of wood. They used to hollow out the wood, and the water mains. I actually have a water main from like the 1800s.
I think you showed me that.
Did I?
Yeah, I think you showed me. That's where I see it.
Cut and ProPressing our valve right here on that piece right there. Put that valve on. You can have enough room for your 90s, right?
What's that? Straight 90s?
Should go up. Go up like that.
From the joist.
3 inches up from the joist? Okay, yep. So let's just hold the pipe up there and then we'll get our 90. Cool. And then we'll get our 90 connection and then we'll just pipe this and get this done over here. Yep. So let's do that.
No,
just 90. Boom, 90 over.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yep. 8 3/8.
8 3/8. 8 3/8.
Yeah. That got a little wiggle room in it.
We'll be fine.
So we'll press these two together first.
Yes, we're gonna press
And
the
then,
cable together
and then this one, we have enough room, and then we'll slide the whole piece down and do this one last.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Pat, that looks good?
Alright, line them up perfect, right? Yeah, well, just let's get this one first, right?
Good.
Cool?
Yep.
Alright. Line it up. If you're off, you're off. There we go. Tell me when.
I like it.
Good?
Yep.
Good? It's on.
Yep, you're good. One, two, three, four.
Bingo. Let's go.
Nice.
Good?
Yep.
Cool. Here. You got a crayon and he's got nothing. Huh? You should see the crayon he's wearing.
I saw it.
It's a crayon. What are you using a crayon for? Let me see the crayon. This is lipstick? It's lipstick.
Double zizzes. Lipstick.
Okay. Heads up, watch that. Where are we at here? Hold on. Get it in there somewhere. Yeah. Hold on. Is it almost there?
Yeah.
I almost see the wires. You got it? I think that's too much copper. I gotta cut it more. All right.
Good.
Good?
Yep.
Marker and all that stuff in your arsenal. You got all that marked over there?
Yep.
All right, how am I gonna get this together now? Oh, look, I could turn this 90. How about that, huh? Would you look at that? Oh, look at that. It ain't going.
No, wait, we don't want to put that on yet. You're not going to be able to get
Ah,
the
yeah,
top
good
on it.
point. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it anyway.
So I think.
All right,
get the
so
two
regardless,
pieces,
regardless,
two
I gotta
pieces
have
first.
To, all right,
Get
let's
the
get
two
this.
90s together first, and then press that, and then we'll force it on, and then we'll do.
Wait, can I press this if this is up in here? No, probably not, right? I'm not gonna be able to get the jaws. All right, let me get this pressed right. Somebody to make sure that I don't get those wires, dude.
That's why I said just notch the wood and knock a little piece out.
I know, but it's just me. Got that book?
There we go.
Huh? Look at that ring. Here we go. Oh, all right. Come on. Oh, yeah. All right, how you over there? Let me try and spin it while you're doing it. Is anything happening?
No, it doesn't look like it. I want to kind of get the slip coupler down to see how much actual space is in between these two plates.
Yeah. Let me mark this other side.
I didn't mark this side.
Huh?
Watch out. This side's good.
All right. That one. Okay. All right.
How's that? Flower mark?
We're good. Cool. Wait, let me see. Oh, why is this mark so far off?
I didn't mark this one.
Who marked that one? What is that? Is that a mark?
This was inch. This was.
That doesn't.
This was
Is that
half,
a mark though?
This was half right here though.
Okay, we're
This,
good.
this mark
We're
was
good.
half.
We should definitely be good. We're good.
Press up.
Where's the pro press? Fuck that. There we go. I want you to get on camera, me pressing these wires to the pipe. All right? Are they all out of the way?
I do think so. Yes.
Are they good?
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to keep it.
All right.
Hang on.
We good?
Hang on. It's just these three.
Good?
No.
Good?
Good.
Good?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. All right. Why can't I open this? There we go.
No worries.
All right. All set. All done. All right.
A little bit. Crack it.
We gotta turn it on. Hey, wait, whoa. Right.
Turn on that 3/4 one first.
Yeah. Turn on the 3/4. Pat, you be underneath those connections. You ready? Turn it on right now. Crack that valve. Turn that one all the way on.
Yeah, it's definitely not stopping.
Turn that one all the way on. Alright. Crack this one. I don't know what else it's feeding. Cracked. Alright, cool. Good?
Yes, sir.